Measurement. Measuring mass. How do we measure mass? We measure really light things in milligrams and grams. We measure larger quantities in kilograms, quintals and tons. We choose the unit depending on what we want to measure. How do we convert between kilogram and gram? 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. When we convert kg to g, we have to multiply by 1000. When we convert g to kg, we have to divide by 1000. Change to grams. 16 kg is equal to 16,000 g. 28 kg is equal to 28,000 g. 45 kg is equal to 45,000 g. 102 kg is equal to 1,02,000 g. 450 kg is equal to 4,50,000 g. Complete the table. 3 kg is equal to 3,000 g. 14 kg is equal to 14,000 g. 27 kg is equal to 27,000 g. 48 kg is equal to 48,000 g. Change to kilograms. 38,000 grams is equal to 38 kilograms. 6,000 g is equal to 6 kg. 12,000 g is equal to 12 kg. 2,56,000 g is equal to 256 kg. 3,78,000 g is equal to 378 kg. Change to kilograms. 38,000 g is equal to 38 kg. 1,08,000 g is equal to 108 kg. 1,20,000 g is equal to 120 kg. 10,34,000 g is equal to 1,034 kg. Convert to grams and kilograms. 1,324 g is equal to 1 kg and 324 g. 5,401 g is equal to 5 kg and 401 g. 70,923 g is equal to 70 kg and 923 g. 83,700 g is equal to 83 kg and 700 g. Convert to grams and kilograms. 1,386 g is equal to 1 kg and 386 g. 8,932 g is equal to 8 kg and 932 g. 12,930 g is equal to 12 kg and 930 g. 50,925 g is equal to 50 kg and 925 g. Convert to grams. 4 kg and 10 g is equal to 4,010 grams. 7 kg and 84 g is equal to 7,084 g. 12 kg and 413 g is equal to 12,413 g. 32 kg and 624 g is equal to 32,624 g. Look at the numbers and fill in the boxes. 3 kg and 7 g is equal to 3,000 plus 7 g, which is equal to 3,007 g. 7 kg and 12 g is equal to 7,000 plus 12 g, which is equal to 7,012 g. 15 kg and 3 g is equal to 15,000 plus 3 g, which is equal to 15,003 g. 20 kg and 6 g is equal to 20,000 plus 6 g, which is equal to 20,006 g. Did you understand the basic units of mass? Yes? Good! Measurement. Measuring capacity. How do we measure capacity? We measure really small quantities in milliliters. We measure larger quantities in liters. We choose the unit depending on what we want to measure. How do we convert between liter and milliliter? 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. When we convert L to ml, we have to multiply by 1000. When we convert ml to L, we have to divide by 1000. Change to milliliters. 16L is equal to 16,000 ml. 28L is equal to 28,000 ml. 45L is equal to 45,000 ml. 102L is equal to 1,02,000 ml. 450L is equal to 4,50,000 ml. Complete the table. 3 liters is equal to 3,000 milliliters. 24L is equal to 24,000 ml. 17L is equal to 17,000 ml. 58L is equal to 58,000 ml. 13L is equal to 13,000 ml. Change to liters. 38,000 milliliters is equal to 38 liters. 6,000 ml is equal to 6L. 12,000 ml is equal to 12L. 2,56,000 ml is equal to 256L. 3,78,000 ml is equal to 378L. 16,000 ml is equal to 16L. 3,48,000 ml is equal to 348L. 18,000 ml is equal to 18L. 1,90,000 ml is equal to 190L. 50,44,000 ml is equal to 5,044L. Convert to liters and milliliters. 1,324 ml is equal to 1 liter and 324 milliliters. 5,401 ml is equal to 5L and 401 ml. 70,923 ml is equal to 70L and 923 ml. 83,700 ml is equal to 83L and 700 ml. 4,502 ml is equal to 4 liters and 502 milliliters. 1,821 ml is equal to 1L and 821 ml. 2,819 ml is equal to 2L and 819 ml. 3,127 ml is equal to 3L and 127 ml. Convert to milliliters. 4 liters and 10 milliliters is equal to 4,010 milliliters. 7L and 84 ml is equal to 7,084 ml. 12L and 413 ml is equal to 12,413 ml. 32L and 624 ml is equal to 32,624 ml. Look at the numbers and fill in the boxes. 6 liters and 42 milliliters is equal to 6,000 plus 42 milliliters, which is equal to 6,042 milliliters. 8L and 12 ml is equal to 8,000 plus 12 ml, which is equal to 8,012 ml. 12L and 20 ml is equal to 12,000 plus 20 ml, which is equal to 12,020 ml. 3L and 17 ml is equal to 3,000 plus 17 ml, which is equal to 3,017 ml. Did you understand the basic units of capacity? Yes? Good!
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.